Hello, everybody. Yeah, it's recording. Good. So this is going to be a quick video about the words, many of the words you're going to be hearing and perhaps using yourself in the next week about the coming up elections here in Israel. So without further ado, without talking too much about it, doesn't matter what party you're affiliated with or what are your political views. All these words, again, you're going to be hearing on the news and the radio, on different forums and chats online. So let's begin. This, as I said, elections in Israel, March 23rd, 2021, very common related words. So first of all, we have bchirot, of course, bchirot or elections, as in habchirot beyom shlishi. הבחירות ביום שלישי, elections are on Tuesday. As I usually try doing, I would pause for a couple of seconds after I say the sentence in Hebrew, just letting you a couple of seconds to practice yourself and hopefully keeping you engaged much more in the video. Next word. Kalpi. You're gonna hear some people saying kalfi. All right, I think kalfi is even the correct way, but most people use it kalpi, so that's why I wrote it this way. So it's the polling station, as in, where's the polling station? Efo hakalpi. Yep, hopefully you repeated. Next we have seker. Seker is the poll. Lefi seker, according to the polls. Or according to the poll, לפי הסקרים, right? לפי הסקר. Next, we have coalition, להרכיב coalition, to put a coalition together, to put together a coalition. And again, להרכיב coalition. Next, we have opposition. Opposition, לשבת באופוזיציה, to sit literally in the opposition, לשבת באופוזיציה, as you all know, the party that doesn't, that is not united or isn't brought into the coalition, sits and resides in the opposition, so לשבת באופוזיציה. Then we have כלכלה, economy, a very hot an important topic. הוא מדבר על כלכלה. He's talking about the economy. הוא מדבר על כלכלה. לבחור, to vote, which is also literally to choose. לא יודעת במי לבחור. I don't know who to vote for. I see that I missed the no here, so it's I don't know who to vote for. Feminine, conjugated in a feminine form. לא יודעת במי לבחור. Next, we have מפלגה, political party. הם אוהבים את המפלגה הזאת. They like this political party. הם אוהבים את המפלגה הזאת. All right, notice also that we have all kind of conjugations for all kind of pronouns and bodies, so it's very important we cover a lot with these examples. Next, we have לשכנע, to persuade. הוא משכנע אותנו. He's persuading us. הוא משכנע אותנו. Next, we have תוצאות, results. תוצאות, תראי את התוצאות. בערב, you will see the results in the evening. Notice that the you here doesn't appear in Hebrew because it already is implied. It's already implied in the תראי. I understand you're talking to a you. תראי את התוצאות בערב. Then we have ראיון, interview, right? When they interview politicians, הראיון ברדיו, the interview on the radio. הראיון ברדיו. Next, we have אחוז חסימה, which is the electoral threshold, as in לא יעברו את אחוז החסימה. They won't pass the threshold. Again, we see here there isn't a they. You don't see the him. You can put the him. It's not bad, but it's already implied in יעברו. Yeah, that's why it doesn't show here. Again, לא יעברו את אחוז החסימה. Now we have להכריז, right? The politicians are asking each other to declare, to announce what they're going to be doing and who they're going to be teaming up with. So you can see it, you can see an example for the word להכריז, as in להכריז שלא ישבו עם, להכריז שלא ישבו עם, to declare they will not sit literally, or we're not going to be together with. להכריז שלא ישבו עם. Then we have להצביע, חשוב, to vote. להצביע is to vote. חשוב להצביע, it's important to vote. It's important to vote. חשוב להצביע. And then we have לתקוף, to attack, something they do quite a lot in the past few days, or in politics in general. הם תוקפים אחד את השני. הם תוקפים אחד את השני. They're attacking each other. And then we have הסכם, agreement, as in לכבד את ההסכם, to respect or to honor the agreement, to respect or to honor the agreement, לכבד את ההסכם. And then we have לסמוך, to trust, as in אתה סומך עליו, do you trust him? Sorry. Again, אתה סומך עליו. And then מתנדנד, swing, swinging, swings, right? הוא מאוד מתנדנד, he's swinging a lot, or he's kind of swingy, right? To just put it that way, about a party, about a person, about a certain politician. הוא מאוד מתנדנד. גוש is a block, right? Is a block, as in שני גושים, two blocks. There are usually mainly two blocks in the Israeli politics. And al cheshbon is on the expense of. Al cheshbon is on the expense of, as in alu al cheshbon miflaga acheret. They went up on the expense of another party. Alu al cheshbon miflaga acheret. And that was it. That was it. These are 20 words that you're going to be, again, hearing and using, perhaps, hopefully, in the coming week or so, perhaps even more, depending on how the negotiations after elections go. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, that you take a lot of value out of it, and it was short and tachlis enough for you. See you in the next video, hopefully, and להתראות.